Hey everybody, welcome to my video about the ECG or EKG feature built into the Apple Watch Series 4. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this feature and use it, so stay tuned. One of the more interesting features of the Apple Watch Series 4 when it was announced was a new feature that allowed you to take an electrocardiogram. And just so we're all on the same page, an electrocardiogram, or ECG for short, is a test that records the timing and strength of the electrical signals that make the heart beat. Looking at an ECG, a doctor can gain insights about your heart rhythm and look for irregularities. This test does not detect heart attacks, blood clots, stroke, or other heart-related conditions including high blood pressure, congestive heart failure, high cholesterol, or other forms of arrhythmia. This feature is not a substitute for seeing a doctor, but rather a handy informational tool that can help you assess if your heart rhythm is normal. Despite its limitations, I think it's still a pretty cool new feature. The first time you use this feature on your Series 4 Apple Watch, the app will ask you to set it up on your iPhone, so the information can be logged in your Health app. To set up the ECG feature in the Health app, first open the Health app on your iPhone and scroll down to the Setup ECG app card. Then tap the Setup button. It will then ask you to enter your date of birth and then explain how the ECG app works along with the various explanations of the app output. Then the Health app will prompt you to take your first ECG with your Apple Watch. After the app has been set up on your iPhone, it's really easy to take the ECG. Just run the app and it will ask you to hold your finger on the digital crown. Once the test is started, it will show you a 30-second countdown and a cool graphic showing you that it's working. The ECG test will take 30 seconds to complete, and Apple recommends that you stand still and rest your elbow in your lap when you take the test. After the 30-second test is completed, the app will display the results. In this case, it shows I have a sinus rhythm. If you'd like additional information about what that means, just press the I in the upper right to get a definition. But in short, that means I have a uniform pattern heart rate. Once you finish taking the ECG test, you can scroll down and press Done. To check out the information in the Health app on your iPhone, just run the Health app and scroll down and tap Heart. This will show you the more recent results at the top and even provide you with the ability to dig a little deeper by tapping on the result. This is a pretty cool new feature, and one I recommend every Series 4 Apple Watch owner uses every so often to make sure you have a uniform pattern heart rate. It will be interesting to see what the next new health feature added to the Apple Watch will be. That was my short video about the new ECG feature on the Series 4 Apple Watch. What do you think about being able to do an ECG on your Apple Watch? Share your thoughts on the ECG test capabilities and features in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.